Samsung is scheduled to unveil the upcoming Galaxy S24 series in the United States within the next month. The series will have three models: Normal, Plus, and Ultra. Choosing the optimal flagship Galaxy S24 model in 2024 may prove difficult due to Samsung's history of offering innovative features and enhancements. The S24 Plus will feature substantial hardware enhancements in comparison to its predecessor. The gadget will feature a 6.7-inch QHD Plus display with a brilliant panel that can reach up to 2,600 nits. The camera department will remain same. Galaxy Eye will augment the device's photographic skills. The forthcoming Samsung S24 series will showcase an enhanced aesthetic with angular edges and a titanium chassis that will be exclusive to the S24 Ultra model. Conversely, the S24 Plus might incorporate the Aluminum Armor 2.0 material. The bezels are anticipated to have reduced width and improved symmetry, resulting in an enhanced visual experience for users. Additionally, reports suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a flat display, resembling the design of current flagship smartphones such as Google's Pixel 8 Pro and Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max. Consequently, the device will no longer incorporate the Edge panel. This alteration is anticipated to have a substantial impact on Samsung's historical trajectory. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will introduce a notable departure from Samsung's past by incorporating a flat screen instead of the curved Edge panel, akin to the design of Google's Pixel 8 Pro and Apple's iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. The phone will feature a 6.8-inch display that offers QHD Plus resolution and a brightness of 2,600 nits, in contrast to the S24 Plus. The Ultra boasts outstanding photographic capabilities, featuring a 200-megapixel main camera and two telephoto cameras offering 3x and 5x optical zoom, respectively. In addition, the Extreme variant has a unique accessory known as the S Pen. If you are an ardent enthusiast of the Note series, we strongly endorse the S24 Ultra as an ideal selection for you in 2024. If you have a preference for smartphones with a rounded shape and do not like harsh corners, then the S24 Plus is the perfect choice for you. If your country exclusively provides the Exynos-based S24 Plus, we recommend opting for the S24 Ultra instead. Whether you are a dedicated enthusiast of the Note series or simply seeking a high-quality smartphone, the S24 series is the ideal choice for you. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.